guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalza and welcome to yet another book unboxing or book haul video. This time I have a very anticipated book set from Meesho, and this book has set a quite sensation in the booktube, bookstagram and booktalk. So today we have the Shatter Me series, and the link will be provided in the comment section. You can check out from there, you can order it. And yes, let's start the video. By the way, wait for a second. I am reading the Edge of Darkness series, and if you want a review of that series, you can let me know in the comment section. I will post it, whether you will tell me or not, but you have to tell me that I have to post it, okay? We have Shatter Me series. धीरे धीरे दिखाती हूँ, cinematics नहीं दिखाऊंगी, डायरेक्ट दिखाती हूँ. ये है पूरा बॉक्स and we have books. Let me flip it. It's quite heavy, so मुझे जिम जाने की जरूरत नहीं है फिर से. Okay, we have these books. Quality check that before you come to me that's saying that they are pirated. Let me tell you that yeah, I know that they are pirated. If you are a student and basically can't afford real books, then these are some like alternatives for you to read books. I'm not promoting piracy at all. I'm just promoting reading. Okay? And I'm so sorry. Let's start the video. Let me show you each and every book and we'll do a quality check. And by the way, आज मैं खड़ी होके वीडियो बना रही हूँ. That's a shock in itself. By the way, subscribe कर देना, okay? I'm not overreacting. किसको लगे overreact कर रही हूँ? तो क्या कर सकते हैं? सोचने दो. First, we have Shatter Me. And as you can see, the quality is quite amazing. It's a little, थोड़ा सा badly aligned, but it's like okay. The pages quality is good. You can see. देख के pages quality पता चलती है. मतलब ऐसे virtually यहाँ से देख के तो पता चल रहा है. Quality is good and the font size is a chef's kiss. मेरी आंखों पे जोर नहीं पड़ेगा finally. When I was reading Iron Flame, I was having a headache because the font was so small. Ignore it. Secondly, we have Unravel Me. I don't know the reading order now. When I will read it, then I will like search for it and then let you know if you want to know. बताना होगा तो मुझे बता देना, ठीक है? Basically, the Edge of Darkness. It had made me suffer, but I love that book. Okay, I want to review it soon. Okay. My God, I'm not going crazy. So we have Restore Me. It's a book. It's white in color, and it looks good, and it doesn't look pirated at all. I'm not even kidding. It doesn't look pirated. And iska bhi pages quality are very good. The pages are little see-through, a little, not very much. So nextly we have Defy Me. Okay. Nextly we have Defy Me. A little bent is there. Okay. And nextly the pages are good. A little see-through again, but the book looks absolutely real. Nextly we have Imagine Me, and iska cover is so pretty. It's pretty, and I'm shocked. And it's not at all damaged. Let me open it. Have a close-up look. It's nice. Okay. I think we have the 3 novellas left. Firstly, I will start from it. I think it's the last one, but I'll start from here. It's Believe Me, and it's a little damaged. Like it's a only little bent from here. And as you can see, it has some like a roughness. I don't know how to describe it. English is not my first language, but I try to speak it because I want to improve it. So if you think and you want to laugh at me, you can laugh freely, okay? And I'm so isolated, I'm so introverted that पता नहीं मैं किस टाइप की इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. पहली बात, मैं कैमरे के सामने बोल लेती हूँ. I can freely talk to you on camera. But if you'll try to make me speak in a public platform, I will falter so bad. And regardless of the language, even if I'm speaking Hindi, English, maths, Urdu, maths, I will falter a lot. The quality pages key is good. So nextly we have Find Me, and it consists of like 2 novellas, like Shadow Me and Reveal Me. And this looks great. Kenji will do anything to protect the people he loves. Shadow Me, Reveal Me. I think this is about Kenji. It's written on the back. The pages is nice. As I said, Unite Me. It consists of 2 novellas, Destroy Me and Fracture Me. I'm blank again. What the heck? Am I crazy? Am I losing my mind? I don't know how. And it's good. It's great. I've reviewed all, I guess. Let me arrange it again and then I will talk to you again. So this is the whole book set. इसके डब्बे की हालत थोड़ी सी खराब आई थी. I just I'm like trying to lure you into a marriage without your consent. Okay, I'm not doing that. I think that someday YouTube will ban my video for saying stupid things like this. This is the book set. If you want to buy it, so you can check the description. I will paste the link there. And subscribe कर लेना if you want more reviews like this. Book related book related videos. Subscribe कर लेना. Bye guys.